Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites so updates install cleanly. Check your device OS version and free space, because insufficient storage breaks installs. Once done, make sure Outlook data is backed up or synced to your Microsoft account to avoid data loss. Now open the Microsoft Store or App Store and search for Outlook. Tapping the app reveals its page. You're ready to move into the actual update steps, so keep the store page open and follow the next actions immediately. You tap Update or Get and allow the store to download the package. This replaces old files with the patched version, which fixes bugs and improves security. If Update isn't offered, make sure your OS is supported, then consider uninstalling and reinstalling Outlook. This clears corrupt app caches. Once the download finishes, open Outlook. You may need to sign in again, and the app will resync mail and settings. Make sure to watch progress and avoid interrupting network or power during installation. You finish by verifying the app version in Outlook settings so you confirm the update applied. This matters when features or fixes depend on specific builds. If mail or sync behaves oddly, force close Outlook and restart your device. This often clears transient issues. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall to remove corrupted files and then sign in again. One key tip: if reinstalling, ensure backup or cloud sync is active to restore settings and avoid losing
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.